That's a great song, isn't it? Scorpions. Winds of Change. Bay FM, Jude with you with Bay Health at 18 minutes to 12. In the studio from New Leaf Natural Therapies from Wynnum, we've got Madonna Guy. Now, Madonna's got Monica with her, and she's one of these success stories that everyone likes to hear about. Now, we've been talking about she came from an abusive family, abusive marriage, and what she's been doing to get her health back on track.
Absolutely. One of the other processes that Monica has done is called universal consciousness. So it's a guided 2-hour meditation with Rob. Do you want to tell a little bit about your story there, Monica?
Yeah, the first one I had with Rob was more going back to my childhood.
Mm-hmm.
And it's amazing, some of the things that I said there, they don't even come into my head anymore. So it was that...
Some of the stresses you had?
Yeah, it was just that release. Like, all I could see was this Monica with her arms folded, you know, she was so...
Protective,
yeah. And now I don't even see that picture of Monica anymore. And as far as family's concerned, I've got a lot of that stuff sorted out,
mm-hmm.
and I'm so much happier. And then I had another one where, through this winter I had been so cold and I'm not motivated to do anything, and I was getting really angry and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
So I've had a session with Rob to help me through that too.
Because don't they say that anger is just pain, hurt,
yeah.
underneath?
Yes, absolutely.
Yes.
And depression is internalised anger, so people often oscillate between anger and depression.
And how was that session? How did you feel afterwards?
Oh, fantastic. Yeah. And I'm actually motivated this week. I've got things to do.
Places to go, people to meet?
Yeah, because I was sort of putting everything off. I thought, no, it's too cold. I don't want to do that.
Yeah.
But anything I had to go to, okay, I was up and I go. Like aqua aerobics. I'm up at Springwood at 6 o'clock in the morning. You know, I have to be on the highway at 5 o'clock to get there.
Now that's dedication.
And,
yeah, absolutely.
You know, that's 2 days a week, and I didn't have a problem doing that. So, you know, it's just that trying to find motivation, and he's sort of given me some ideas on how to, you know, when I get down in that valley sort of thing, you know, how to climb back up.
So you've got all these new tools, right?
Yeah.
So can I just get you to, we know how your life was.
Mm-hmm.
Could you explain to everyone who's listening, because this is a great success story, how you feel now and how you got there?
Oh, I just feel magnificent. A lot of, like, you know, I'm not perfect, so, you know, we always have our down times, but, like, I can sort of cope with those a lot more now.
Your energy wasn't great when you first saw us?
Oh, no. Energy
so
you've
got some coping mechanisms.
I've learned how to cope with stress and things like that, but in saying that, you know, I'm not going to say that I'm never stressed. I had a bad day yesterday, but... But, you know, after the day was finished, I thought, oh, what was I stressing about?
Yeah. It's 24 hours gone, let's bring on the new one.
That's right.
And pain as well. Your pain levels are quite low these days, aren't they?
I don't have pain.
Yeah. And when she does have pain, she starts to think, right, this feels like stress because I was stressing about ABC and now my shoulder blades are hurting.
Yeah.
So now she's more aware of that body-mind connection.
So that's some of the tools that you guys have given her, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. And like I'll go there and I'll say, oh, my back's really hurting today. And like it is because I've just had a stressful week. You know, I had the massage and I'm fine, you know, I'm on my way again. So
that's fantastic.
But like I used to climb the stairs and every step would be, I can run up those steps now.
Wow.
So, you know,
it's pretty cool, isn't it?
I don't have a problem climbing steps. It's only laziness now.
We've got a bit of that.
And we've all got that.
We're listening to Bay FM and it's Bay Health, and we're with Monica and, of course, with Madonna Guy from New Leaf. We'll be back shortly after our sponsor.
The Centre and Skin Clinic is proud to introduce